What if true freedom isn't about escaping your life or silencing your mind? Many of us chase peace by trying to quiet our thoughts, but that's like holding back the ocean with your hands. The mind will always generate thoughts. It's what it does. Real liberation comes not from escape, but from learning to master your mind. Imagine your mind as a wild horse. You don't get rid of it, you learn to ride it. Freedom is transforming your relationship with your thoughts, becoming the calm rider, not the panicked passenger. Instead of being swept away by every fear or distraction, you learn to direct your focus and choose your responses. This journey isn't about fighting your mind, but about understanding and gently guiding it. Think of it as upgrading your internal software, moving from old reactive habits to conscious, intentional living. True freedom is active, feeling emotions without being defined by them, having thoughts without being ruled by them. It's not mystical or reserved for a select few. It's a skill anyone can build. The first step? Realize you are not your thoughts. There's a deeper, more peaceful you waiting to be discovered. This is where our journey begins. Are you ready to ride the horse of your own mind? Let's talk about your mind's operating system, what I call the liberation layer. Most of us run on autopilot, reacting to life based on old programming and habits. A critical comment triggers insecurity, a deadline sparks stress. This is the mind's default, reactive and chaotic. The liberation layer is a conscious upgrade. It doesn't erase thoughts or feelings, but lets you observe and choose how to engage with them. Imagine seeing all your mental programs running. You decide which to keep, close, or update. You become the mindful administrator of your inner world. Like advanced AI, your mind can develop higher layers that interpret, filter, and respond with wisdom. The liberation layer takes your raw thoughts and emotions and filters them through your values and intentions. How do you build it? Start by paying attention. Create a gap between stimulus and response. When anger or anxiety arises, pause for a second. That tiny pause is the birthplace of the liberation layer. In that space, you reclaim your power. You move from being swept up in your mind's drama to directing your own life story. This is conscious living. Are you ready to install your liberation layer? To build your liberation layer, you must understand your mind's mechanics. Our brains form thought loops, well-worn trails of worry or negativity. Meditation helps carve new paths. Each time you return your focus to your breath, you weaken old loops and strengthen conscious awareness. This is physical brain rewiring, not just a spiritual idea. Ancient traditions call this witness consciousness. Sitting on the bank, watching the river of thoughts flow by, you are not the river, you are the witness. You can observe sadness or anger without becoming it. This separation is the essence of the liberation layer. From the witness, you see thoughts as temporary events, not absolute truths. You engage with life more fully, no longer jerked around by every emotion. You feel deeply, but you're anchored in the stillness of the witness. This is how you find peace in the storm of the mind. Are you ready to become the witness? We live in a time where ancient wisdom meets modern technology. Just as basic AI gets stuck in feedback loops, so do our minds. Advanced AI develops meta-awareness, monitoring and improving itself. Mindfulness is our version of this. We debug our mental code, learning to observe and redirect unhelpful thought loops. Technology mirrors our inner journey. Both can evolve through self-correction and growth. Imagine AI as a guide, prompting you to pause, breathe, or reflect when you're stuck. Used wisely, technology can be a powerful ally in self-mastery. The spiritual and scientific are converging, opening new possibilities for inner freedom. Will you let technology help you on your journey? You don't need a monastery to build your liberation layer, just daily rituals. Consistency is key. Small, regular actions create lasting change. Start with a morning scan. Before anything else, take 5 minutes to notice your thoughts and feelings. No judgment, just awareness. This sets the tone for your day. Use technology. A guided meditation or a thoughtful prompt can help. In the middle of your day, practice a midday pause. Set a reminder, stop for 1 minute, take 3 deep breaths, and notice your surroundings. This mini reset breaks the trance of busyness and recenters you. End your day with bedtime reflection. Journal for 10 minutes. 1 challenge, 1 gratitude, 1 lesson. This helps you process the day and prepares your mind for restful sleep. AI-powered journaling apps can help you spot patterns and track your growth. These rituals are your training ground for mental freedom. They're simple, but transformative. Make them a habit and watch your liberation layer grow. Are you ready to start today? Here's a profound question. If a compassionate AI could help you face your deepest fears, would you use it? Our fears are invisible cages, built from past hurts and limiting stories. We often decorate these cages, pretending they don't exist, but they hold us back. An AI could act as a patient, non-judgmental guide, helping you confront phobias, analyze your patterns, and reframe your narratives. This isn't about replacing human connection, but offering new private support. The choice is yours, comfort zone or growth. Technology can offer the key, but you must turn it. Would you take that brave step toward freedom? Much suffering comes from our relationship with the past. Memories become prisons when we replay pain instead of learning from it. True liberation isn't erasing memory, but changing how we relate to it. Use your past as a library of wisdom, not a trap of rumination. The liberation layer lets you look at painful memories without being consumed. You honor the past, learn its lessons, and return to the present. You become the author of your story, not its victim. Like AI, use data from the past to make better choices, without emotional baggage. Extract wisdom, release the wound, and move forward lighter and freer. This is conscious remembering. Are you ready to use memory as a tool? Becoming the witness is just the beginning. True freedom is moving from passive observer to active creator. Once you master your thoughts, you can use them to shape your life. Install new mental programs, compassion, gratitude, purpose. Your mind becomes your ally in creation, not chaos. You direct the current of your thoughts toward your highest potential. When your inner world aligns, your actions follow with clarity and intention. You serve, create, and connect from a place of fullness. The liberation layer is a journey first, freedom from the mind, then freedom through the mind. You become the architect of your reality. Are you ready to create your life? This journey isn't just personal, it's collective. As you master your inner world, you inspire others to do the same. Your story can ignite transformation in someone else. Reflect. Where do you feel trapped? Where do you feel free? What's one step you can take today? Share your reflections with someone. Speaking your intentions gives them power. Here's a challenge. Create a 10-minute video sharing your journey. No fancy equipment needed, just your authentic voice. What does liberation mean to you? What ritual will you commit to? Your vulnerability is your strength, and your story is a beacon for others. Let's create a wave of inspiration and build our liberation layers together. The journey starts now with you.